guys, I'm Michael here with the Ratchet and Clank Going Commando walkthrough. Just one little thing before we get started. None of my walkthroughs are going to have the cutscenes of the game actually in it. But other than that, hope you enjoy my videos. Here's the game. Hey guys, we are on planet Joba doing the Swingshot Course. This will finish all of our missions. If we make it to the end, that is. Alright guys, so this is another hover bike race. Just like the first one, it might take a little while to get used to. But let's do it. The amateur circuit. We don't really know what the prize is yet, so let's do this. Alright, there are two ways to go, but only one way will be open. This course has weapons. That's a little shortcut. Alright, watch out for those bombs right there. Alright, now watch out and don't crash. Sweet. If you make it on the top, that is very good. Watch out for the bombs. I did not get the boost, but that is okay because I can get one right there. Try not to crash like that or that. I'm still in first though, that's good, but people are catching up. Alright, see, there are two ways to go. Since that way was open, I had to go that way. You do not have very good traction in that mud stuff, alright? I'm gonna have to take the lower way. I'm in second now. Make that third. Make that second. It will be first pretty soon, though. If I lose on the final lap, I'm going to be very mad. Second place, so close. Well, let's try it again. We have to do it until we win, so might as well try it again, huh? Sweet, got the top. Barely got the top, but I still got it. Alright guys, so hit. I'm very surprised I did not crash. That made no sense. Alright, so hit L1 to use your weaponry. I like first a lot better than second or third, don't you? Lap 2. This is where I lost it last time. I hope not to lose it again. Alright guys, so hit L1 to use your weapons. You can see the little symbol on the top left corner. That's which weapon you have. Right now I have electricity. Now I have a force field. Oh, almost got the top, but I did not. But I should be fine. Lap 3. Yeah, I'm gonna win. Forgot about this little section. Unless something dreadful happens, I should win. Here comes the finish line. First place. I was way ahead. I was 4 seconds ahead of everybody else. Alright. Let's see what happens next. Let's see what the prize is.
To activate the charge boots.
Okay, so what we got are charge boots. Going the wrong way. Charge boots are pretty cool. They allow you to charge. Like here, if you double tap R1, even if you're not even touching the joystick, you'll do that. That comes in pretty handy on some of the levels. Like, it's better than just long jumping, but be careful, because you are able to charge boot off of a ledge. And that is a pain. Really annoying. Hey guys, hope you've enjoyed my Ratchet and Clank Going Commando walkthrough. Thanks for watching. Please watch the next ones if you have trouble on those levels. Comment if you liked it. Subscribe. Thanks.